My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are coming from the site websurfguard.com. These pop-ups are absolutely fake. They are not related to the Google Chrome browser. In fact, such pop-ups present fake Chrome update alerts. They are extremely dangerous because this information displayed by these websurfguard.com pop-ups is totally fake and very deceptive. Such pop-ups try to hijack your Google Chrome browser with adware type extension, so don't ever interact with these pop-ups. I recommend that you carefully examine the control panel of your computer in order to uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. So if you find something not familiar here, get rid of it. Also, to make sure that your system is free of other possibly hidden threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then begin investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.